Target Trading Academy.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Dan O'Brien with Target Trading Academy, and I'm doing a video for you here to wrap up November. It's November 30th, and I have a list of students who sent in their trades today. We have a total of 24 trades, 15 winners, 8 losses, and 1 break even. And we'll get started with Kurt. Okay, Kurt had 1 trade today. It was at 10 o'clock in the morning. It was a short in the ES on Sim for a winner. Good job, Kurt. Tim had 1 trade as well at 10:14, a short. Nice trend trade there. Good job. And then Mark had a series of trades. The first one here is at 10:48, short and a winner. These are all in the ES and all in Sim. And then we have a trade here at 11:07 for a small winner, and then again at 11:11 for a small winner. And then here at 11:34, we have long for another small winner, and 13:32 a short for another small winner. I have a couple of trades on this one here. This is 13:38, a long and a loss. And then still at 13:38, you see all these bars are in 1 minute. Another long but a winner. And these actually are out of order, unfortunately, but they're still all on the same day here. 13:18 short and a loss, and then 13:20 a short and break even overall. And then here at 13:27 a short and a winner. Now, I had already mentioned to Mark that he's got to use the trailing stop here, and therefore that would have gone from 3 trades with a loss and a break even to just 1 and a winner. But he's working on that, and he does have a good day overall because his last trade here was a runner, and as you can see, he did use that trailing stop, and that was a big one. Real nice. 15:32 long for a big winner. Good job, Mark. Okay, then we go to Paul. Now, Paul is in the micro ES. All these trades are in the MES, and they're all live. And in the end, Paul has a total of 11 trades. Only, should I say only, but 5 winners and 6 losses. But in the end, you're going to see that he does well because, as you've seen in these prior videos, Paul does a good job of keeping the losses small and letting the winners run big time, like Mark's last trade that you just saw a moment ago. Alright, so this screenshot here has several trades on it. We have a short at 10:20 for a loss. A little late to the party on that one. 10:42, there's a short here off the top of the channel, a reversal for a winner. And then 11:11, we have a series of really small losses here. 11:11 long for a loss. 11:24 short, looking for a reversal down off of the edge of the trend, the market profile resistance level. It did find resistance there. He's looking for it again, makes perfect sense. And unfortunately, the market wanted to trend on him, so that was a small loss. And then the last one on the screenshot here, 11:27 it looks like, for a small loss. Okay, here we have a short at 12:30, again off the top of the channel. It did have a potential scalp winner there for sure, Paul. When they're already in a non-trending zone, you got to take profits off and not look for that trending trade. Now, it may develop into one, but you really need to trade the channels and take a couple off at the bottom of the channel. If it continues, great, let that one run, and then you can even perhaps get into a new trade altogether and basically add on to it. But that was still a small gain at 12:30 there. Okay, next screenshot. So we have a long here looking for a breakout. What do we got? I'm sorry. Yeah. 1350 long looking for a breakout. It doesn't happen, unfortunately. That's a loss. He stays with it. The machine learning says it paints the bars blue because the machine learning program says that the market should be going up, and it does break through that high there around 39.90, and he lets it go a little bit further as it's really slow in this area, but then as it starts to accelerate and he's reading the tape, Paul goes long at 13.57 and lets it run all the way to the trailing stop, and that was about a roughly an 11-point winning trade there. Okay, and then the last screenshot here has three trades on it. 14.42 a long, looking for a reversal. That was a very, very small loss. And then 14.50, we have a long and a stop out there for a winner. And then 15.02, the big one. He goes long and gets about a 25-point winner. Now, the market did trade through the trailing stop right here, but as I've instructed Paul and everyone else, you need to use a little bit of room underneath there, and it didn't get his stop until it traded through it way up here, which gave him a roughly 25-point winner on that trade. And I don't know how many he had on, 2, 3, and it was just wonderful, excellent. So, as you can see there in the micros, once again, I'll refresh your memory. He had a total of 11 trades. Now this is just for Paul. 5 winners and 6 small losses. And so most people would say, oh no, that's a losing ratio. I don't want to do that. Well, at the end of the day, he still had a gain of $148.75 in the micro contract, which is great. So if you keep them, the loser small, and truly let the winners run like you see here and on the other trades, that's how you do it, even if you're 50-50, or in this case even worse by a little bit. So excellent work, Paul. Okay folks, and that's going to do it for today's video. If you'd like to come and join our current students where they swear by their indicators and not at them, just contact us through our Facebook page or our website, and we'd be happy to get more info out to you. Until the next video, trade well.